In the demanding world of professional automotive repair, precision, quality, and trust aren't just words, they're essential. Walker Products has been delivering excellence since 1946, supplying premium engine management sensors and components that not only meet, but exceed OEM standards. Walker's ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certified facilities are a testament to their commitment to precision and reliability. Each sensor is engineered to ensure the performance and durability professional technicians demand. As a family-owned company, Walker takes pride in offering industry-leading support. From design to delivery, their teams are dedicated to providing you with the quality components and resources you need to succeed. With Walker Products, you can trust that every part performs flawlessly, letting you focus on getting the job done right the first time. Did you know that Walker Products oxygen sensors are installed over 38,500 times per week? Or that Walker Products takes pride in its commitment to producing high-quality mass airflow sensors right here in the USA? If other professionals trust Walker Products that many times per week, and the components are backed by a company committed to the highest quality standards, then you can trust them as well. When you choose Walker Products, you're not just delivering optimal vehicle performance, you're building trust with every repair. Walker Products, trusted by professionals, driven by quality. For premium engine management solutions, visit walkerproducts.com.